Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Yes, today is the review of the new car that we picked up in our last video. If you haven't seen it, check it out. Stupid ass fed behind us, he's going and he thinks he's hard because he will spin the car, but he's undercover fed and he was spying on us this whole time. I'm gonna put that in the video. Is that still rolling? Okay, so kind of ruined my flow there, but yeah, the previous owner of this car did an amazing job in modding up the car. The car looks insane. We got it washed today as well, so it's nice and shiny for the video. And yeah, I was expecting the sun to be nice and shiny today as well, but it's a bit of a gloomy day and quite cold actually. And I'm gonna walk you through the car in a minute as well. But first, let's hit it with a montage. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that little montage I put together, but yeah, let me talk you through the car. Of course you guys already know this car, that is another car. I needed the number plate though for this car. But yeah, we're gonna talk through this car. I'll put the video link in the description so you can check out when I picked up this beast as well. But yeah, let me just kind of walk you around this car as well. Let's come in here. First, the obvious is the body kit. Now, the old owner of this car, he did an amazing job. He actually did an M4 conversion on this car. This car is actually a 4.2i, so that is a 2-litre petrol, pushing, I believe, about 250 brake. Remapped, this car would be pushing over 300. So it is quite a powerful car. And the dealer actually said he spent £7,000 on doing this car up. So yeah, let's see what he's done. So first, he's got the grill. So this originally comes as silver. He's de-chromed it and he made it into gloss black, which looks really nice with the car. And also, if you look back there, he's actually wrapped those little metal pipe thingies. I don't know what they're called. Put it in the comment section. I don't know what it's called. Yeah, he's got the body kit. He's got the front end gun, the entire spoiler at the front. He's got red calipers. Really nice looking alloys. I love those alloys. What alloys are these? Yeah, they just look nice. And then we've got the best part of this car is, come down here, the exhaust. So this exhaust system is crazy. It's got an entire M4 conversion, you can call it. It's got the diffuser in there as well. It looks good and it sounds even better. Come on inside here. Let's go inside the car where you'll be able to see more specs of this car inside. So we've got these amazing seats, amazing electric seats. We've got the scarf here, keep your neck nice and warm. I feel like I'm a BMW salesman right now, but it's got heated steering wheel. It's got electric mirrors, which are, I believe, about £700. The exhaust, I think it was about £3,000. What else has he done to the car? The body kit itself is about a grand, 1,000, 1,500 roughly. The alloys, they are expensive. I don't know how much they are expensive. But yeah, overall, it's a beautiful car. Absolutely love it. And we're also going to show you guys some drive-by shots right now. I'm gonna pull out my drone. Finally get to use my drone. I was supposed to go to Wales last year, but that, COVID had other plans. But yeah, going to do some drone shots now. Stick my GoPro in the car as well, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Alright guys, I hope you all enjoyed today's video. We got some really good shots in today's video, but yeah, I'm just gonna head back now. I am shattered, it is freezing, and yeah man, yeah, hope you all enjoyed the car, hope you all enjoyed the video. There will be some really good videos coming out soon as well. Obviously summer, roof down, convertible. So yeah, make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.